Amazing smartphones you can actually buy right now, low budget. A few years ago, buying a cheap smartphone meant you were in for sluggish performance, subpar screen quality, overheating, or even short battery life. Well, things have undoubtedly changed. Although expensive flagship models continue to draw the most attention, there are currently many more affordable options in the market that deserve serious consideration, especially if you need an upgrade and the effects of inflation are overwhelming you. In fact, some models are available for much less money than those pricier devices and still provide the same kind of design, features, and power that everyone wants. In light of this, Tech Groupies presents you our top 7 picks for the best and most affordable smartphones available right now. You might be wondering how affordable these phones could be. Well, on this list, we have a fantastic smartphone that costs as little as $200. So make sure to watch the entire video to avoid missing anything. At number 7, we have the OnePlus 10T series, which you can purchase for just $649. You can enjoy the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor's enhanced performance for less money with the OnePlus 10T, which costs only $649. If you choose the Pro version with 16 gigs of RAM, the price jumps to just $749, which is still very reasonable for a phone that will especially satisfy mobile gamers. The phone has a 6.7-inch screen with a lovely resolution of 3216 by 1440 pixels and runs Android 12, making it capable of handling heavy usage and multitasking with ease. The OnePlus 10 has a 5,000 mAh battery as well and supports ultra-fast charging. This smartphone has a triple camera setup with a 32 megapixel front camera and 48 megapixel rear cameras with a combined resolution of 250 megapixels and 8 megapixels. It really delivers in every aspect. At the number 6 spot is the Google Pixel 6, which you can buy for just $599. It comes as no surprise that a Google smartphone is among the most reasonably priced Android devices available. The Pixel 6 and 6 Pro is on par with the flagships of the majority of other companies, but at a significantly lower cost, making it a great showcase for the brand. This device has a 6.4-inch full high-definition plus display, stereo speakers, an IP68 rating, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. But the Pixel 6's dual cameras, which are truly exceptional, are what really set it apart from other smartphones. They are in a league of their own, and the device's pared-down version of Android 12 is as refined and effortlessly simple as ever. No matter what you're filming or the lighting situation, the Pixel 6's pictures and videos are without a doubt the best you can get for the money. Thanks to Google's first in-house Tensor chipset, performance is also significantly improved over the Pixel 5. And with the Pixel 6's low price being another selling point, there's little reason to spend more. Taking our number 5 spot is the Nothing Phone 1, which you can purchase for only $499. The Nothing Phone 1 makes a bold statement through its design and is unquestionably the phone you should buy if you want to grab attention. Nothing else on the market looks as swanky as this, which has a distinct see-through rear and a number of LED lights. Also, the lights serve a purpose. They flash in response to incoming calls, texts, and alarms. Exciting, right? But appearances aren't everything. And fortunately, the Nothing Phone 1 excels in every other area as a mid-priced phone. The device has a 778G Plus chipset that provides reliable performance, an Android-like interface, and a great battery life over 20 hours. The Nothing Phone 1 is a good choice for everyone from tech enthusiasts to people who just want to flaunt their fancy gadgets. At number 4 is the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, which you can get for just $449. Contrary to what Samsung's slick advertisements would have you believe, you don't only have to choose from expensive flagship models. Yes, there are some pricey Samsung phones that are truly lovely, but if you're looking for something that will be easier on your wallet, the Galaxy A53 5G is perfect. The Galaxy A53 5G is a 6.5-inch smartphone with swanky features and a stylish design that would be more fitting for devices costing twice as much. It has a 64-megapixel camera with 2 5-megapixel macro and 2 12-megapixel wide-angle sensors, as well as a strong Exynos 1280 processor. With its size, power, and aesthetic appeal, Samsung's Galaxy A53 5G is an easy choice for buyers on a tight budget. Coming in at number 3 is the Moto G82, which you can get for just $365. The Moto G82 is an incredibly slim phone that weighs 173 grams and measures just 7.99 millimeters. The phone has a curved back that blends seamlessly into the chamfered frame, and it comes in 2 gorgeous colors, meteorite gray and white lily. The phone comes equipped with a beautiful 6.6-inch full high-definition plus and POLED display that is bright enough at 700 nits and refreshes at 120 Hz, so you can enjoy the buttery smooth animations and UI transitions. The panel's 10-bit nature also allows for a wider range of color options. Moving on, the phone comes with a 5,000 mAh battery that can be recharged in a little more than an hour using the included 33-watt charger. Surprisingly, the Moto G82 is one of the most affordable smartphones to come equipped with an iOS-assisted main sensor. The phone also comes with a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. All features you'd expect to find in phones that cost significantly more. The phone's loud stereo speaker setup is the cherry on top, making it one of the best-equipped audio-focused devices on this list. The Realme 9 Pro takes the second spot on this list at a price of $270. Realme is an up-and-coming brand whose main selling point is to provide more for less, and the 9 Pro does just that. In addition to being affordable, it also has a beautiful design, reliable performance, and a bright, clear screen. The Realme 9 Pro has a lot to brag about for such a cheap phone, especially when you factor in the really impressive battery life and fairly quick charging support. It supports dash charge fast charging and comes with a 60-watt fast charger that can recharge the battery from empty to full in just over 40 minutes. It's kind of a game changer that this device has such a long battery life and such a quick charging speed, especially for the price. The phone also has a 6.60-inch touchscreen display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a resolution of 1080 by 2412. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 octa-core processor and comes with either 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM. The Realme 9 Pro has a triple camera setup with a 64-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel secondary camera, and a 2-megapixel third camera on the back. It also has one front camera setup with a 16-megapixel sensor for selfies. Did we mention that it's a phone that changes colors? Well, it is! Speaking of color-changing phones, have you heard of the Tesla Model Pi? It is a concept phone that will allegedly be able to adjust colors. We made a video about it, and we think you should check it out. Now let's get back to our list. At the number 1 spot is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, which you can get for as low as, wait for it, $200. Unbelievable, right? Well, believe it or not, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 offers incredible value for money. This device doesn't skimp on features and delivers performance levels comparable to devices priced twice as much. The Redmi Note 11 is a low-cost, mid-range smartphone, but it really shines when it comes to the display. The most cost-effective Xiaomi model on the market, it features a 6.43-inch AMOLED screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a maximum brightness of up to 100 nits. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor, LPDDR4X RAM, and UFS 2.2 storage as its power sources. A suitable 33-watt charger is provided in the box, and the built-in 5,000 mAh battery supports fast charging. To round off the Redmi Note 11's feature, there is a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and an integrated 3.5mm audio jack. If you're on a budget and want a capable smartphone that punches well above its weight, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is the smartest choice. Which of these killer smartphones do you like the most? Please let us know in the comments. This is Tech Groupies, and we hope you enjoyed this particular lineup of amazing smartphones you can buy on a budget. Subscribe to our channel to view more videos of cutting-edge technology and rockin' gadgets. See you next time.